So I got 5 dudes, 1 chick. Holy. Anybody hear the train move? And I wonder if it's gonna be them filling up at the hole. God, I know I'm not the only one thinking it. How huge is this freaking hole? You, you know what? You know what? I'm gonna believe it, guys. I'm gonna believe this one. Normally I wouldn't believe this, but it's regular show. I'm gonna believe it. I wonder if it's possible to. I don't know, man. I don't see if anybody ever done it before, but it's probably possible to drive a car vertical.